Here at the Variety Show, every student has a chance to showcase their unique talents and passions. However, for some people, these pastimes serve as more than just hobbies. They're crucial parts of their day-to-day lives.
If anyone sees me throughout school, I always have my headphones on and I'm always thinking of, oh, this would be a cool move to do in a choreography piece or something, or yeah, I want to choreo to this. So it is my life every day.
But these fortunate gifts come along with some less advantageous circumstances. With their passions, Skylar and Madison find ways to dance their way through the struggles they face.
I've always had to struggle with the divorce of my parents when I was 11, and since my mom has glaucoma, I have to drive her everywhere. So just sometimes I get frustrated, and I don't like to vent to people and tell them all my stuff, which is one of my problems. So I just dance, and I just dance it out.
Definitely the death of my grandma 2 years ago. I was really upset about it because she was my rock growing up. And when she died, it was kind of just, dance was always there, so I could just, if I was feeling rage or anger or anything, I could just push through it.
Just dancing itself gives me a sense of freedom. It's enveloping, I can't live without it.
I will admit, with performances, I get very nervous and I always get the jitters and I'm always like, I can't do it. And then I get out there, it's just the adrenaline rush and I'm just like, well, there's no turning back now. When I hear the crowd's reaction and I see people that I know and especially when I look and see my mom, it's like, whew.
For CTV News, I'm Haley Hudson.